Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put this away. I got bags, so cute. Alright, y'all, the microwave is clean. It's a warm apple pie. And I'm gonna put that right there. Saying so far, I'm about to put his football stuff over here. Since it's football season, I got him a few things. Showed you guys in a haul his football stuff. So I'm just going to put his stuff up on here. And that side. What is going to go in here? I know I got a tea in this one that I'm going to keep. Like this. And I want to put my butter over here as well. And my toaster be right there. So I got my coffee pot. My what's the name? And then all the way to the bottom. Yes. Now I'm gonna put my other little stand back and clean it off. And you guys can see that. Alright y'all, I've hung that up and I got the shelving looking good. I got some dish towels that I want to put in here. I wish I had some, these are hand towels actually. I need to find me some dish towels. I got these from Home Goods. Put that in there. How many is it? 3? Yeah, that's why I need some hand towels, roll some dish towels up in here. Do the dish towels. And my oven mitts. In here. I just want one there. The cabinet by the sink. Okay.